Yo, what is up, guys? It is your boy Big E back again with another video, and today's video, as usual, is sponsored by One Bone. Own your fit. And guys, today we are going to be looking at a very goddamn, Bob, just start the video. Start the video, Bob. Start the video. All right, guys, and we are back, and I got stuck on stupid because today we are going to be looking at a very, I'm not going to do it too again, we're going to be looking at a very special pendant by none other than Trax NYC, guys. That is right, a pendant that I have been wanting for mad long.
Let's go!
A pendant that I have been dreaming of in my head that I have always wanted to get, but I just could never, ever figure out where to get it, or if anybody even ever made it. I didn't think anybody even made this pendant. And what that pendant is, guys, is a silver pamp with a gold border.
What? No way.
Yes, you heard that right. A silver pamp with a gold border. You guys have seen me review so many pamps on this channel, but what I have always wanted was a silver pamp, and nobody makes silver pamps. Nobody makes them. So basically, I was looking on Trax NYC, and I went and hit up my boy Mickey over there, and I was like, yo, Mickey, suggest some good pieces to me, dog. I was talking to him and trying to figure something out, and then, you know, we got off our call and whatever, and I was slowly browsing and perusing on the Trax NYC website. And as you guys know, if you've ever been on Trax NYC, they have like 1,000,001 things on the website. So I'm scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, and all of a sudden I went and landed on the pamp that I am about to show you guys. So without further ado, let us get into this beautiful 1 ounce pamp with a 14-karat gold border. And I promise you guys, you have not seen a pamp like this. So we hit up those POV unboxings, and today you guys are not going to see as much of my face. And some of you may not like that, and some of you might be like, thank God.
Yeah, you're right. That's true.
Anyways, guys, here we go. Here is the piece that I have been talking about, and let us slide this box out. And as you guys can see right here, you have that Trax NYC box established in 2004. So think about that, guys. Trax NYC has been there for 21 years. All right, guys. So with that, let's get this thing open, and boom, look at that light show. Beautiful piece. And this is what I was talking about, guys. You got that 1 ounce silver pamp with a 14-karat gold border. And guys, these are handmade. This was made on site at Trax NYC. I have not worn it yet because I've been waiting to do the review, guys, but this thing is absolutely beautiful. And like I said, guys, this is like a dream come true for me. I don't know why, but I have always wanted. Let's give you guys a closer look here. So check this out. This is the front right here. Check that out right there. Boom. You got that Lady Fortuna right there. You got that beautiful border. And on the back, guys, check this out. You know, on the back, obviously right here, you have your 1 ounce of fine 999 silver. And we're going to talk about 999 silver and gold in a second. And then I believe you have almost 12 grams of 14-karat gold around this. We got little Bertha out today, guys. Let me get this in frame for you guys so you guys can see. And we have 43 grams, 43.19 grams. So yeah, guys, that's about right. You got your 1 ounce of silver, and then you add that 12 on, and you get your 43 grams right there. But guys, as of me making this video right now, silver and gold is at an all-time high. It's absolutely crazy. So when I tell you a piece like this right here, this is an investment piece. Go out there, guys, and get yourself some silver. Get yourself silver, get yourself gold. Listen, a lot of people are priced out of gold right now, which is understandable. 4,000 an ounce is crazy. And next, guys, we're gonna have a quick segment from my sponsor, One Bone. Guys, One Bone, own your fit. One Bone has you covered from a size medium all the way up to a size 7X. From this shirt that I am rocking right now, guys, to all the shirts that I rock, they got something for everyone, whether you want to dress up, whether you want to dress down, whatever it may be. They got tops, they got hoodies, they got jackets, they got pants, they got shorts, you name it. So guys, the link will be in the description. Make sure you use code BIGE15 and get 15% off your purchase. And now let's get back to the video so we get this beautiful pendant on neck and we rate it. See you in a minute. The next thing that we have to do is get this bad boy around neck. And guys, the other day I reviewed this 4.5 millimeter box chain from Luke Zion that just went up, and you guys can see it on the channel as of me posting this. And in that video, I said that the box chain right here is the ultimate chain for a pendant. And guys, I am about to do this for the first time and put this on neck with this box right here. Check that bad boy out right there, guys. Check that thing out. What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful piece right there. I got this 4.5 millimeter box with this gold and silver pamp pendant, and guys, this thing just has me in heaven. All we have is this beautiful pamp right here, guys, and boy, do I love this thing. I cannot say it enough. So we have it around neck, we discussed it, I showed it to you guys, we unboxed it. The only thing left to do is rate it, and for your dope or nope final verdict, check it out right here. Guys, this thing is definitely a certified dope. I will have a link in the description to this pendant if you want to go get yourself one at Trax NYC. And with that, guys, this has been the review of my brand new silver 1 ounce pamp pendant from Trax NYC with a 14 karat gold border. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, do the whole thing, guys. Hit the hype button, give me a thanks, do whatever you want to do. Make sure, if anything, just leave a comment down below. And this has been your boy Big E, and I am out. Peace.